This is Usborne Look Inside Science with over 110 flaps. It's for age above 5. And the best part about Look Inside series is it's having flaps under flaps under flaps. So there are multiple flaps under each and everything. So what is science? So whenever you ask children what is science, it's not a boring subject. It's about understanding why this thing happens. So some of the scientists looks on plants. Some of them work on moving things and how does it work. Some of them work with chemicals. So everyone can. Science has also multifacets, and that can be understood pretty easily over here. So there are a lot of materials and everything, what it is made of, what is plastic, what is glass, very basic thing, what is leather. So it's understanding about everything around you, and also about some of the things like basic things, wonderful concept like, let's say this is liquid, then this is solid, and if the water boils, what does it make? So very easy concept, how to make a bubbling potion. So this is a little experiment of how to make a bubbling potion. And what happens if you mix cement, sand with water? So what can happen? So this is what can happen. So you can use this is how things go, and going into detail of every work, it's like lot of life skill basis. Here you have plants and trees, and how a seed can grow into a little plant, and what does worm do, and how does this oak tree lives more than 300 years, and what do squirrels do, what are acorn, lots of honeybees, bee flies from flower to flower, and how bees are useful. Like everything in nature is having its own role, and here the bees have their own role. A little bit concept about your body, not much detail, but yes, of course, the little bit knowledge about senses. When you exercise, it beats faster. Have you tried that? And the body parts individually have been explained little by little. How cool is this? The whole complete body is here, and you can also open little this, like there is a heart over here, and so little bit about hair, then a little bit about your fingers and movement and exercise. This is about light and sound, and this is, see, every page is interesting. Here you are talking about body, and the next page you are talking about light and sound and opening up the windows and houses, and then you are even opening out the whole thing. So flaps and reflects, that's what I was talking about. And how does this make sound, and what are forces, what is friction, how do you reduce friction? Lots and lots of information and beautiful illustrations to explain the thing. And it doesn't go a little boring over here. It does not go like that. Like see, there is this game like where you pull each other, tug of one, and so that way it keeps the things interesting and makes them understand what is force, what is gravity, what is friction, what is resistance. And I love this page the most. So if you are a big fan of the solar system and everything, can you see this? The moon, the star, a shooting star, and look at this. So it is so many information in just one page, and you can actually put it over here. And about little bit about the rocket, the space shuttle, where does the scientist sit? And seriously, this page is worth the whole thing. Obviously every page is best, but look at this page, like lots of information over here. The Rocky Mountains and everything. So if you want to have everything like body, forces, light, sound, plants and trees and materials and everything at one place, this is the book you need.